We wanted to capture the story of Dolphin Quest and HTA, since we were lucky enough to be there from the beginning. The project started with the teachers of HTA visited Dolphin Quest in September 2018 to experience it for themselves.
When Silk came to HTA to talk about the different modules, we were very intrigued because we got an idea of different career opportunities.
As a producer, I got to see the behind the scenes of how a waterfall works and what it does. When we got to Dolphin Quest for our STEM jobs, we experienced what it'd be like to be in the Dolphin Quest system.
As a maker, I got to make enrichment toys for the dolphins.
As an integrator, I managed the workers and accepted job applications and passed bills.
As an explorer, I explored problems and how to present them.
My name's Jade Hoy and I'm the general manager at Dolphin Quest Oahu. I was talking to one of my friends and she was a teacher at HTA and she was talking about how she had just been to a conference where at the conference they talked about schools wanting to develop more community partnerships with different organizations in Hawaii. And I told her that we were looking to take our education program up to the next level because we have access to great things like scientists from different universities, and there's amazing research, conservation research happening at our facility, and it's something that we'd like to share more with local Hawaii students.
Some of the highlights for me as an educator heading into the Hawaii Technology Academy and Dolphin Quest partnership was just putting the students at the forefront of learning and getting them out of the classroom in such a way that they were connecting with real life needs and wants and interests and skills. They were all able to experience who they were in a rewarding manner.
This is so great. I'm tearing up.
So, your project.
My dad is a scuba diver and he goes on dive boats frequently, but he doesn't go in the middle of the day. And when I recently learned about how the dolphins sleep in the middle of the day, I was like, oh, then the boats must disturb them. And that's what I got my inspiration from.
What does Dolphin Quest mean to me? Well, I think this company represents so much. The umbrella of what we do is multifaceted and covers just a multitude of different ways to outreach the community, whether it's through our educational kids programs or dolphin encounters, whether it's through the scientific projects that we endeavor in, whether it's just even talking to guests around the lagoon, educating them on what we do, and making an impact to our guests. We are front runners in many, many different scientific projects, and Dolphin Quest also means going out and sharing with the marine mammal community what those projects, what we've learned from those projects, how we can educate other trainers in the field of how they can do the same type of research and data collection that we do. It's just very vast. I think that's one of the awesome things about working for Dolphin Quest is we do all kinds of things every day.
My name's Ashley Blauis.
And my name's Austin Allen.
And we're both PhD students at the Duke University Marine Lab in Marine Science and Conservation. So we collect a wide variety of data on animals here at Dolphin Quest to develop conservation tools to understand the physiology and energetics of these dolphins as well as animals in the wild. So one of the types of data that we're collecting is respirometry data, and we use this pneumatac to do that. And so this pneumatac is placed over the blowhole of the dolphin and they breathe into it. And we can measure across the flow cell that we have in the middle. We can measure the pressure differential and calculate the flow rate of the breath the animal's taking, so we can learn how much they're breathing, how big their breaths are, and then we can also measure the gas composition of the breath to understand how much oxygen they're consuming and how much carbon dioxide they're breathing out when they exhale.
And this device is essentially like a Fitbit for dolphins. So it records how they move, whether they're moving slow or really fast. I don't know, we develop a lot of things here before we can take them to the wild. So it's really great having this controlled setting that we can ask some really cool questions to help conserve wild animals.
Some highlights of the Dolphin Quest HTA partnership this past year. We're definitely getting to take both the faculty group and all of our 7th grade students to the Dolphin Quest program so they could experience the whole program that they have there. And we got behind the scenes, we got to go work with the dolphins, we got to see how everything worked. We had extra classes given to us and presentations, and it really helped. It was a highlight because it really helped get all the students and even the faculty excited about working with the partnership.
I'm Maya Terhune and I teach 7th grade at HTA. So the partnership enhanced learning because it got them out of the classroom again. Instead of reading about dolphins and the care of dolphins, the students actually got to not only witness firsthand and in live how caretakers care for dolphins, but they also got to see this is what the habitat needs to have, and they got to witness it and observe it in a very inquiry-based manner of pointing out on site, this is what I notice about the lagoons, this is how the waterfall works, this is how the animals are taken care of. On top of that, not only were they looking at the conservation of the animals, they were looking at the care of the animals. So they got to witness firsthand how the animal trainers interacted with the animals. And then they too got to step in and be the animal trainers themselves and started to think like an animal trainer because they had that hands-on experience of practicing being that job on site. I don't think that would have happened if it weren't for this partnership.
And I ended up learning a lot from it besides, just the dolphins being there. I thought it was amazing that what the scientists do, what the trainers do, how they're trying to save the dolphins and stop plastic and all of that, and then how all the other kids interpreted what they learned in Dolphin Quest.
Thanks for the learning opportunity, and I think it's actually gonna help in the future for all of the students who attended it.
How about for you personally?
It really helped me get my documenting skills because I actually never documented anything before. So it really helped.